luxurious appearance, opulent shine. So are you guys ready for Hola gente! What is up my badass angels? Welcome to yet another video where we test out new hair care and then decide together what works and what doesn't. Today's product, I just honestly was intrigued by its name. This is BC Bonacure Oil Miracle Gold Shimmer Treatment for normal to thick hair. So let's go ahead and dampen my hair. Quick update, keratin treatment on my last video. I was very concerned for a bit, but I mean, this is really good. It doesn't have any conditioner on and it was air dried, so not bad for my crazy hair. I'm gonna leave the at-home keratin treatment video right here in the eye in the corner. All right, let's see how this looks like. Gold shimmery texture. You know what this really reminds me of? Kind of. The Absolut Repair by L'Oreal, the one that has gold quinoa. It was quite messy. Let's see how messy this one is. I'm gonna stay away from the roots. Let's touch this. It does smell like argan oil and flowers. So let's go ahead and set the timer to 10 minutes. This type of shimmer actually reminds me of this Nuxe Huile Prodigieuse. I mostly apply it on my décolletage and shoulders when I have a nice fake tan on. So the main ingredients here are cetyl alcohol, which is actually a type of alcohol that is the good kind. Argan oil, which you usually find in the ingredients list as Argania spinosa kernel oil. That is actually pretty much at the top. Then it has panthenol and hydrolyzed keratin. This is not a silicone-free type of product. It contains dimethicone. Oh, and here we have mica, which is that shimmery, sparkly gold thing. Time is up. So are you guys ready for the big reveal? Let's go ahead and rinse this out and see how my hair looks. And we are back. It's a breeze to rinse out. If tangles tend to be an issue for you, not anymore. This definitely does the job for you. I'm still going to go in with my tangle teaser. Oh, I just realized everything matches today once again. Although this has gold shimmer, whereas this right here is actual 24 karat gold surface.
Enchanté.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm not gonna be all mysterious today. Look how fabulous this looks. I really like the product. Yep. You know how I would describe this product? This is like a very expensive highlighter for your hair. Like literally, like a luxurious Natasha Denona level highlighter for the hair. So good. That said, I just want to recap quickly on the product claims and also share with you what I think this product does not do for you, so that hopefully I can help you make the right purchase decision. So this is definitely lightweight, flexible, invisible to the touch. It has a very nice flowy movement. I feel it is perfect if your hair is dull, like mine was at the beginning of the video, because of the at-home keratin treatment that I gave myself. And many of you guys were right to point out in the comments of that video that my hair was turning a little bit dull, but it was definitely stronger and less frizzy, and that was definitely a great starting point for this treatment right here, because one of the things that I feel this is not going to do for you is provide any frizz control at all. So I might have even not liked this product as much if I hadn't done that keratin treatment before, because frizz is really a big issue for me. Which, I mean, frizz control is not in the product claims, so I guess if you don't have any frizz control issues, you're going to really like this. And if you do, maybe a good tip would be to do something about the frizz first. The other thing that I feel this product is not gonna provide, or at least it did not provide me a lot of, is hydration. In fact, this area feels a little bit dry to the touch. So clearly the product doesn't promise to give you any type of hydration, not failing to deliver. But let me tell you, this same brand has another product, Hyaluronic Moisture Kick Treatment. It ironically kicks this one in the butt when it comes to deep hydration. So do check that video out. It's gonna be linked right here, you know, just so that you understand more why I'm saying what I just said. It is definitely meant for my hair type, which is normal to thick. If you have very, very thick hair, you may want to try something even richer and thicker than this hair mask. And if you have very, very thin hair, this is definitely not the right texture for you. I feel like I want to put this one and the Gold Quinoa by Absolut Repair side by side. Right now, I kind of feel I like this one better just because the shimmer is a little bit more subtle. So I would definitely recommend this for anyone looking for a very luxurious experience, a yummy fragrance that still will not compete with your perfume, and a ticket out of very dull hair. Cream hair highlight in a bottle. Yeah, that kind of summarizes this for me. Oh my god, if we were not in lockdown, this definitely looks like fabulous, fabulous, fabulous date night hair. For me at least. So that is a wrap, my badass angels. I hope this video helped you make the right purchase decision, or at least that it entertained you and that you enjoyed hanging out with me. As I always say, hair care is just an excuse for me to spend some time with you guys answering your comments. Let me know, what do you think this product did to my hair in the comment section below, or if you have tried it, please do include your review, especially if you had a different experience. Also, this product is very hard to get. It seems to be low on stock on the very rare few places where you can get it, and those links are going to be listed in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for your support if you decide to use my links or this or any of my other videos. And like I always say, no matter what comes your way, stay brave. You, my friend, are a badass with the heart of an angel. And I will catch up with you guys again on Saturday. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.